Join me as I dive deep into today's NOK stock and attempt to break down all the expert analysis and insights. NOK stock has been making waves in the market lately, and for good reason. With its recent performance, it's clear that investors are keeping a close eye on this stock. But what exactly is driving this interest, and what's behind the current trends? One of the biggest challenges facing NOK stock right now is market volatility. With the global economy in a state of flux, investors are getting nervous, and that's reflected in the stock's performance. Another concern is the company's financial health, with some investors worried about its ability to meet its debt obligations. Additionally, there's also the issue of competition, as NOK stock faces stiff competition from other players in the industry. And then there's the elephant in the room: regulatory risks. With governments around the world tightening the screws on various industries, NOK stock's future is far from certain. NOK stock's recent trends have been a mixed bag. On the one hand, the company has reported some impressive financials, with revenue growth that's outpacing many of its peers. But on the other hand, there are concerns about its profit margins, which have been under pressure lately. Expert opinions are also divided, with some analysts bullish on the stock's prospects, while others are more bearish. Some experts point to the company's strong management team and its innovative approach to its business, while others see red flags in its financials. So what's the most significant insight regarding NOK stock? One thing that's clear is that the company is at a turning point. With its recent investments in new technology and its efforts to expand into new markets, NOK stock is poised for growth. But there are also risks, such as the possibility of regulatory changes that could impact its business model. Another key factor is the company's ability to execute on its plans, which will be crucial in determining its future success. And then there's the issue of investor sentiment, which can shift quickly and impact the stock's price. In summary, NOK stock is a complex and multifaceted company that's facing both opportunities and challenges. For investors, it's clear that this stock requires careful consideration and a deep understanding of its prospects and risks. The outlook for NOK stock is uncertain, but one thing's for sure: it's a stock that's worth keeping an eye on. If you've got thoughts on NOK stock, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. And if you're interested in more insights on related stocks or market trends, be sure to check out my next video for more expert analysis.